Okay, part 2 of the Sur-Ron pedal kit wobbling. First, we covered the wobble and the freewheel assembly. Now we're covering the axle bearing cup issue, like this. And if you continue to pedal like this, as you can see, the lock ring is turning, so it won't take long before the whole axle falls out on you, and that can be dangerous. So remove the crank arms, remove the freewheel, and that leaves you with a lock ring and a bearing cup. If you never did any maintenance on it, now is the time to remove the cup and grease the bearing, both sides. Thread in the cup as much as you can, up to a point where it's binding. Now it's binding, like this. So when you're like this, you just turn 180 degrees counterclockwise to loosen up the cup, so it will get you some play in it. And while holding the cup, you try your best to lock the lock ring like this. Still have some play. Lock ring is tight. Now you take your spanner wrench. I'm using a Parks tool HCW5. And you lock it in. Now as you lock it in, that cup will rotate maybe 90 degrees, 180 degrees or so. So that's the reason I ask you guys to loosen it up. Once done, there should be almost no play, just like this, just a slight wobble, and no binding. So hope that helps.